Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will discuss about the apoptosis, necrosis versus apoptosis. Six major differences. Okay, now start. Necrosis versus apoptosis visual map and quick detail on six major differences in cell death by necrosis and apoptosis for basic pathological knowledge. In this week, I will post about cell death and adaptations. Hope you enjoy reading these main differences and subscribe for update. Okay. There are six major differences in necrosis and apoptosis. Firstly, we discuss about the apoptosis. Cell death region necrosis is always pathological. Cell death region necrosis is always pathological, which means cell death happened because of unfavorable stressful situation, infection, excessive heat, radiation, or lack of blood supply. Apoptosis is most commonly physiological. It is programmed cell death which eliminate unwanted cell from the body. Sometimes apoptosis happen in the cell with damaged DNA. Second, about the cell size. Cell size increase in necrosis and cell shrink in apoptosis. Nucleus. In necrosis, nucleus undergoing pycnosis, fragmentations, and karyolysis. Apoptotic nucleus breaks into nucleosome size fragments. Number 4. Plasma membrane. There is loss of plasma membrane integrity in necrosis, but plasma membrane remain intact in apoptosis. Cellular contents. In necrosis, there is leakage of cellular contents. Number 6. Adjacent inflammations. Because there is plasma membrane rupture, there is leakage of contents which attract inflammatory cell, so there is inflammation in necrosis. But in apoptosis, bodies are phagocytosed, so there is no cellular material to induce inflammations, hence there is no inflammations in apoptosis. Okay, bye.